Oh my. They just like fly right by my face.
Oh, you have seen nothing.
Oh god.
I don't like this.
Don't worry, but the newspaper says never, a tourist never got hurt by a police.
Until now.
So guys, welcome to Plaza Catalunya. Plaza Catalunya is just... Second day here in Barcelona. We just got done with breakfast. It was €3 at the hostel, super good. There was bread, all kinds of Spanish tortillas. Everything was really good. Now we're on a walking tour. We're in a hurry.
Like really worked. Almost like it was like dead.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you
got done with a free walking tour. We saw a bunch of buildings, a lot of history of the buildings. It was really cool. I really liked it.
Architecture.
Architecture. Yes, we did. We did.
We know how to spot now modernism.
So usually I have Frank here who like listens to all the tours and gives me the summary at the end. But I got this girl right here.
Yes, because I actually pay attention.
As me and Raluca were walking off and doing our own stuff. We have ADD, okay? Leave us alone. Anyway, so now we found this place. What's it called? Yeah, so it's like a bunch of like snacks and stuff for like €1, whatever. So it's pretty cool. And we met this guy from our hostel. What's his name? Anyways, and he's buying us drinks. So like we're pretty thirsty right now. Because people usually don't double fist.
You have to hear.
cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we
Mercat Boqueria. That's where we are.
We're at the market and we're by Las Rambas.
The meat.
Las Rambas.
What is that?
So it's like an indoor, outdoor market, and they have like all kinds of meats because they love meats here. Bless you.
Bless you.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Tienes y de buey, he visto que en el otro lado sí que tienes.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.